I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. All right, guys, we're going to do a Thursday weight check. We're not going to be mad. We're just going to own it, okay? We had a rough, it's not a bad eating. We had excess food this weekend in order to survive as part of my coping mechanism. So, let's see. I have not stepped on it already. All right. So, we're up a pound from last week. I am going to be... Oh, shoot, a monkey. Hold on. All right, yep, we're up 1 pound from last week. I ain't going to cry about it. So, yep. But don't forget, Friday, we're picking up leaner ground beef. We're going to see how that goes. Okay, bye. Hi, good morning. How are you doing? I figure that scale, that was not a terrible thing. Y'all know how I ate. It could have been way worse, y'all. Way worse. Oh, shoot, I need to set the alarm for my house. Anyway, so yeah, at 175, that's up one from last week or the week before, whatever. But I will take it. I will take it. Got my coffee this morning. As usual, I think I want, y'all know I'm so squirrely. I think I want to see about getting larger ones. You know, I was doing, turn that down. I was doing my shaker cups, and those are 24 ounces, and I kind of got spoiled by that amount. And so this one I'll have to refill, I'll have to refill and refill again, because I like to make sure I get extra water. So anyway, that's actually not, that ain't even a message for y'all. That's a message for editing Terri. Terri, look on Amazon for some 24 ounce tumblers that hold hot water really well. So, don't ask. Y'all know I ain't got a lick of sense. I ain't had enough coffee this morning. Yeah, that's all I know. We're going to have a good day because I said so. And if we have stress, if we start thinking about something like I did earlier, I just said, Jesus, 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 Jesus. And it grounds me and soothes me. That's what I do when I play pool. I didn't do it. Well, I did do it this past weekend a couple times. I did do it. Probably not as faithful as I should have or could have. But anyway. So, all right. I love you, wild things. It's trash day. Thursday's my trash day. Well, we got pool tonight. Yeah. So we'll know more of the details about the pool thing. Trash day, but I only have one trash bag in my thing, so I ain't bringing it out. Looking to see if we can see my neighbors. Is theirs out there? Way over there, it's hard to see. Anyway, well, we have officially entered humidity weather, and it ain't just for the humiditties, it's for the hair. So my hair is now going to be wah until, hey, like that. Need to hear me say that again? Wah. When I was a kid, Mom would be like, what was that again? And I'd be like, wah, oh, Mom. It'd take a couple times for me to get what she was doing. She just wanted me to do that sound again. Anyway, so my hair, we have officially entered humidity hair season. So, all right, well, that's all I know. I love you, weirdos. And, speaking of, what was I thinking about in the shower? I was thinking about, hang on, let me think. I know, last night when I was on the TikTok, I was scrolling, I was like, man, there is so much negativity on here. And I was like, you know what? The answer to all that stuff, let the people who are of the pay grade to know all the things, let them handle it. And in the meantime, let's just love each other. We're going to Jesus said, love our neighbor as ourselves. So just love each other and just do the best we can every day. But love Jesus first. So, yeah, we're going to leave all that social drama, all that political drama. We're going to leave it on the other channels because here we love Jesus and food. Oh, my Lord. Y'all know I love me some food. We love food on this channel. Food and Jesus and pool. And you guys. What else? And dogs and kitty cats. Oh, and little hamsters and little guinea piggies and rabbits. We love everything. So I love you all, and I'll see you later. Bye. For the record, I'm in dress pants today, so we are not going to be going outside to eat on the ground, because I don't want to be crawling around on the ground in my dress clothes. So I just dressed up today. All right, bye. How's it going? Doing okay? It's about 11. Okay, it's 10:50. Shut up. Today, when I was at Walmart the other day, I got the peaches and cream Zevia. It is delicioso. I like peaches flavors. Hang on now. I always have to be careful because it kind of jostles around in my thing, and sometimes it explodes. That reminds me, I don't know why I automatically thought, good to the last drop. Remember that commercial? Good to the last drop, Maxwell House. I hope I seasoned this. I don't remember, but we'll see. So this is what I did last night. The bites, the ground beef bites that I made up. What I did was I just had a burger patty, a 1 pound burger patty, and it was in my skillet. And then I just cut it into strips and cut those strips into bite sizes. And it worked really well because I didn't have to worry. Sometimes I do it, and then the middle, if I don't cut them up, then the middle of it's like kind of gummy. I know, like on my steaks, I do care. I prefer them to be medium. Sometimes they get more rare. Once in a while I get blue rare, and I just choke it down. But I know you're not supposed to do that with ground beef. Ain't no seasoning on that whatsoever. Yesterday, Terry, you were slacking. That ain't cool at all. That's all right. I'm still going to take another bite because it's nummy. It's hot. It's super duper hot, but it's good. I know some of y'all said you don't have Zevias around where you are. I'm thankful that I do. What did I do? Where did I put? Okay. So, all right. Yeah, we can't go out at the picnic, or we can't go out and have us a tanning session. Because, why did I say? Oh, yeah, because I'm dressed up. I done forgot why I was. Y'all, I'm slacking today. My hair's growing. I'm glad. I like it. I like it a little bit longer. It looks a little more fluffy. I don't know much else. I know I care about y'all, and y'all are amazing, and I appreciate every single one of you. And I hope today, your Saturday, or whenever you watch this, I hope you're having a good day. Okay, bye. So y'all know that I do that. Oh, what is this thing that tightens you up? I want to tighten you people up. Hang on just a minute. Let me hold on just a second. Now, hopefully I'll remember what I was going to tell y'all. Okay, I think I fixed it. I'm so funny. I make myself laugh. I told y'all this past weekend, dang, I made 3 big containers of gelatin, and then I spooned it out into Ziploc bags after it had kind of congealed a little bit. Didn't congeal very much because I didn't do much of it in there. I have really, really enjoyed it. I put them in Ziploc bags, and then I kind of take it out and then just kind of beat it around. And the texture, I told y'all, I know I keep telling y'all about this, but the texture is like shaved ice. It is so, so good. So, anyway, I did it today, and I am like Well, no doubt, you ding dong. You've been chewing on ice. It's funny, I'll touch out here, and my mouth will be, on the outside of my mouth, it'll be so cold. But it tastes so good. Oh, look! One of my coworkers that had a blue tongue, I didn't believe her. Dang, girl. Huh. So what I do is when I made it, I just added electrolytes and gelatin. So whenever I eat it, I take a, oh, hi, Mr. Cardinal. You're looking awful handsome there, feller. I take a packet of my flavoring, the powdered kind, and I cut it and I put it on all of it. And so it turns whatever color or whatever flavor I've got it. Could you tell today was blue? I don't remember what that flavor is, but it was good. So I've been doing that. Anyway, all that nonsense to say, I am cold. So, yeah. And so then I come out and I saw the sun. I was like, oh, sunshine on my shoulder makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes, it makes me smile. Anyway, all right, love y'all. Bye. Check out the new pool shirt. I told y'all about it. John 3:16. This will help me remember the colors of the balls. I always forget whether 3 is red or 5 is red. So I could just be like, oh yeah, I'm going for number 3. I think it's neat how it's kind of crackled, kind of like it's old, you know. So anyway, I know it's the last. It's the last one. I'm sure of it. Anyway, so what are we eating tonight? Well, I'll tell you. Ground beef. Ain't that a kick in the pants? Who would have thunked it? Who would have thunked it? So, what I do, I made it into beef bites again. That really was handy. So tomorrow, let me just show you what it looks like. I have some cheese in there and a little sprinkle of bacon pieces. Yeah, buddy. Tomorrow, Suzanne and I have our meeting, and we always go to Texas Roadhouse. It's going to kill me because we're waiting until she has clinical hours until 12. So I won't take my lunch if I can remember, but I will take my gelatin, so maybe I can nibble on my gelatin or something. Yum, yum in my tummy, tum. So yeah, so that's my supper. I'd say I put about a third of the ground beef with my supper, and then 2/3 with my lunch. I'm also going to have 3 meat sticks that I'll take along. I always got to take meat sticks because everybody's always eating stuff, and even though I eat before I go, I'm one of those FOMO people. I fear missing out. All right, let's give this a try. It is chocolate malt and snickerdoodle, baby. So yeah, that's my day. Had a meeting with my boss. Went well. I'm still employed. Yeah. So, yep, that's all I know. And anything else exciting? No. Oh, it's not blue anymore as much. So, all right. I love y'all. I got to get in my game. Got to get my game face on. Pool league tonight. So, bye.